Lesson 2 on using the All216 thermostat. As of lesson 1 we learned how to do the clock, and now what we're going to do is learn how to use the programming. I just activate the screen. What you'll basically see is a number of symbols, and the one we're going to concentrate on is the menu symbol, which is in the form of a book. You simply press and hold that for 5 seconds, and then it will come up with all your set points. So this is for set points from Monday all the way through to Friday. As you can see here, it is set at 7 o'clock to come on, and you can change that by using the arrows up and down. When you are happy with the time that it comes on first thing in the morning, you would simply press the menu button again to then bring up the temperature that you would want it to be, and you can alter that again by using the up and down arrows. Press the menu again. This is the time when you go out to work, take the children to school, or whatever life dictates. Now you set that at 8:30, 9 o'clock, whatever again your desired time would be. If you're in the house most of the day, you might want it to turn off a lot later on in the morning or in the afternoon. You press the menu button again, and this is the temperature that it falls back to, which is either 15, 16 degrees. Now we have the set point number 3, which is when you come home for lunch, or if you want it on in the afternoon for some reason, then you would set it accordingly, again using the up and down arrows, and set the temperature. Now if you don't go home for lunch or you're not in at that time, you just simply leave it at its lowest temperature and then move on to the next one, which again is going off at 12:30. You would leave that at 16 degrees. And then we come to the 5th set point of the day, which is the time you come home from work or bring the children home from school, or again dependent on what your lifestyle dictates. You would set that to 15:30 or 4:30 or 5 o'clock, really dependent on who's going to be attending the house and when. Then you would set the temperature to between 19 and 22, dependent on your desired comfort levels. And then you press the menu and take it to the last setting of the day. This is a setting that turns it all off overnight. Some people like to go to bed early, 2200, some prefer to stay up a bit later. And then you would set that to 15 or 16 degrees. When you're happy with those settings, you would move then on to the weekend. Now you may want to lie in and get up a bit later and set it for 9 o'clock. Now you may still be an early bird and set it for about 7:30. The choice is yours. When you are happy with what time it comes on, you would set the temperature it goes to, which should be about 21 degrees, or whatever you desire. Then the last setting is the setting that the system will go off of an evening at 10 o'clock, 2300. Choice is yours, really. And then you've got the last temperature setting, which is the lowest temperature that it will go to overnight, which is either 15 or 16 degrees, which again you would set using the arrows. When you're happy with all the set points, you simply press the power button, and then it will go back to its normal function.